Scavenger 222, left midfield down 135.
Scavenger 222, your number 2, runway 35, clear to land.
Go to land 35, Scavenger 222. Scavenger 222, I just had a tire go out on me on the taxiway.
Okay, Scavengers 222, do you guys have somebody to help you out with that, or do you need to contact Projet?
Stand by on that. I'm going to see if I can taxi at least off the main taxiway. Scavenger 222.
Okay, don't do anything to damage the aircraft. If we have to go around you, we will.
Scavenger 222, I need to get Projet out here.
Okay, we're calling them now. Just stand by, remain in the aircraft.
Hey, 222.
Now, which tire is out?
It is the right main strut, Scavenger 222. Do you need any more contact from me? Because if you don't, I'm going to shut off the airplane.
Scavengers 222, yeah, go ahead and shut down. If you need to do you have a cell phone to call us if you need to?
Yeah, if I needed to, you want me to call Projet, or who do you want me to call?
If you need to, give me a call, all right?
Okay, thank you. Where do I see your phone number for that?
Stand by.